I've got a new flash. I'm excited to try it. This is, I think, the perfect little flash for street photography. Now, I don't use a lot of flash for street photography. I've got some flashes. They're big. They make the camera top heavy. They kind of change the whole shooting experience because the flash is so big. So I've gone to the Zeniko ZA12 for my street photography. Now, this is just a little hot shoe flash. Sits on top of the camera. Isn't going to light up a gymnasium. It's going to add a little bit of shadow fill for my black and white street photography. I'm excited to get started with it. Now, when it comes with a charging cord because it doesn't use AA's. Comes with a little diffuser just so that you can get a little bit wider light output. It's a small tube, yes. This diffuser will help, yes. I'm excited to try it. I think for street photography, I'm not trying to be noticed as much. You're never the fly on the wall that you think you are, but a little bit of flash, filling in those shadows, I think it's going to work out great. I'm going to use it with the diffuser. I can't wait to get started. Now, you can buy this online. I actually put the link in below. It's the Zeniko. I call it the ZA12. Maybe it's a ZA12 if you're not from Canada. Anyways, I'm excited to use it this year on the street.